You have already learned how to compose a post. Now it's time to learn how to manage your post by using our Smart Social module. So let's get started. In the post section, you will see that there is an option of Manage Post. Let's see in this view. You can see that there is an option of list day, week, and month. Let's have a look at monthly view of the calendar. In this view, you can see the scheduled content of your social media platforms, and you can reschedule it at any time. If you want to see the content calendar of a specific platform, you can simply use this ATR post. You can filter your post by accounts, groups, clients, platforms, and statuses. Here you can see only a specific platform and its scheduled content. In this calendar, you can drag and drop your content like this, and you can perform any action right in the content calendar. For example, you can share this post, you can add it, you can save it to the library, you can make a duplicate, or you can delete the post. And you can see the list view. Also in this list view, you can check the queued posts and pending reviews on scheduled error if it has occurred. Delivered post in delivered section. You can reshare your post also, you can delete it, and you can save it to the library. In queued post section, you can edit your post, you can save it to the library, or you can make a duplicate, you can delete it, and you can share right. By mastering these post management features in Smart Social, you're empowered to optimize your social media presence efficiently and effectively.